Look around us. The air we breathe is filled with toxins. Our food is processed for convenience. And though modern medicine has increased our lifespan, the rate of chronic diseases like cancer are rising, especially in young generations. Have you ever stopped to wonder why? Research shows that many of these issues can be prevented through something as simple as food. What we eat has the power to heal, protect, and transform our bodies. That's where healthy eating steps in, and soups are a powerful way to repair, detox, and nourish our bodies. Hello everyone, welcome to Tiashat, California. Today, I will share 3 incredible soup recipes designed to help you detox, lose weight, and fight inflammation. These soups are not just meals, they are your first step toward a healthier and happier life. Let's start with a soup that guarantees weight loss, our bottle gourd soup. It's light on metabolism and packed with fiber that keep you full and energized for a long time. To make this soup, we need just a few simple ingredients: bottle gourd, green peas, onion, ginger, and coriander leaves. It's quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. First, I will peel and chop the bottle gourd. It's hydrating, full of fiber, and great for digestion. You can easily find it in Indian grocery stores, especially in California. Next, I will grate some ginger and chop the onions, both of which add incredible flavor and amazing health benefits, like aiding digestion and reducing inflammation. Now I am going to pressure cook everything in an instant pot for just 8 minutes. Adding little bit of salt. It's perfectly cooked now. I am going to blend it into a smooth, creamy consistency. This is the simplest weight loss soup, packed with all the beneficial nutrients your body needs. You can season it to your liking. I love adding salt, pepper, a squeeze of lime juice, and some freshly chopped cilantro. And there you have it, a wholesome, delicious soup that's perfect for a light, healthy meal. Please try this at home and share your feedback in the comments. I would love to know how it worked for you. Next is our Green Goodness Detox Soup. Why is it called that? It's packed with powerful greens like broccoli, spinach, green beans, and green mung lentils, each bursting with nutrients and detoxifying effects. Broccoli is a superstar when it comes to detoxing. It's rich in antioxidants and supports our liver. Spinach adds a dose of iron, vitamins, and fiber to keep you energized. Green beans, full of vitamins A, C, and K. They work wonders for digestion. This Green Goodness Detox Soup is a family favorite, especially for those picky eaters. It is a delicious way to sneak all those green vegetables that they don't like to eat. I'm adding everything in boiling water. I will cook them for 5 to 6 minutes, just enough to preserve the nutrients and vibrant green color. Now I am adding cooked mung beans into the boiling water. Mung beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein, high fiber. It has detoxifying effects, helps to cleanse our body by flushing out toxins. It is rich in antioxidants, help to lower cholesterol, balance our blood sugar, and supports weight loss. Using a hand blender, I will blend everything until it's smooth. You can also cool it down and use a mixer grinder if that is easier for you. Look at that vibrant green color. Thanks to natural chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps detoxify our body, supports skin health, and even boosts immunity. Finally, I will season with salt and pepper and drizzle a few drops of extra virgin olive oil. This healthy fat helps our body absorb all those fat-soluble nutrients from the soup. Little touch of lime juice and it's ready to enjoy. If you could add one more green vegetable to this recipe, what would it be? Let me know in the comments. I would love to try your ideas. Finally, let's make a soup that supports our immune system and fight with inflammation. This soup is called the cancer preventing soup because every ingredient in it is carefully chosen to help fight inflammation, boost immunity, and lower your risk of chronic diseases including cancer. Mushrooms are rich in antioxidants which help protect cells from damage and also may slow down the growth of certain cancer cells. Colorful peppers are rich in vitamin C and carotenoids that neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Green vegetables adds chlorophyll, folate and iron which support cell repair. I am starting by adding a little olive oil to my pot and cooking it on low flame. Olive oil is a great healthy fat that helps absorb all the nutrients in the soup. Now I am adding chopped garlic to the oil. I will let it cook until it becomes fragrant. Garlic not only adds flavor but also has powerful cancer-fighting properties thanks to its sulfur compounds. Next, I am adding chopped onions. I will cover the pot and cook it on low heat for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to develop and become nice and aromatic. While that's cooking, I am going to chop and puree my tomatoes. Tomatoes are full of lycopene, which is known for its cancer-preventing properties, especially in the fight against prostate and lung cancer. My kitchen is filling with the most incredible aroma now. Let's check on our vegetables. Yes, they are done perfectly. Now it's time to add all the vibrant cancer-fighting vegetables: green beans, celery, carrots, bell peppers and sweet potatoes. When you combine these powerhouse ingredients, you create a soup that's not only nourishing but truly transformative for your health. Now I will cover it and let everything cook for 12 to 15 minutes or until vegetables are tender. Now adding some fresh grated ginger for that extra zing. Now I am tossing in some green peas and red lentils. I soaked the red lentils for 30 minutes to help them cook faster and absorb all those wonderful flavors. Let's give it a good mix. And then add the tomato puree. It's time to mix everything together again. Time for a pinch of turmeric, packed with anti-cancer properties. A bit of salt to taste, along with a sprinkle of cinnamon powder. Let's give it a good mix. Something good that happened to me today is sharing healthy recipes with you. It feels great to be part of something that's going to make a difference. What about you? Did anything good happen today? Please share in the comment section. Now everything is perfectly cooked and the kitchen is filled with the most comforting aroma. I'm adding a cup of cooked red rice. That is my favorite whole grain. Whole grains are great for long-term health. They provide fiber, stabilize blood sugar, and give you sustained energy. I will cover it one last time and cook it for just a few more minutes to let everything absorb those beautiful flavors. It's almost done. Let me garnish it with cilantro. And there it is, the cancer-preventing soup, full of love, care, and nourishment. The rich colors, the warmth, the aroma, it's all ready to be shared with the people you care about most. When you serve this soup to your loved ones, it's not just about the meal, it's about nourishing their bodies and hearts. This soup is not just delicious, but incredibly nourishing. It's a great way to support your body and keep inflammation at bay. Which one will you try first? I would like to hear from you in the comments below. If these recipes inspired you, don't forget to like it, share it with someone who needs a little health boost, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Together, let's build a community of health, wellness, and delicious recipes. Which one you will? If you like this video, I will highly recommend you to watch this video next. See you next time.